How to create a Zoho mail account using the mobile app. Hi everybody, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you are setting up a personal mailbox or planning for work, using the Zoho mail application makes it super convenient to get started anywhere, anytime. So here is exactly how you do it. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your mobile device, and then in the search bar, type in Zoho, Mail, and search. Look for the Zoho Mail email and calendar application from Zoho Corporation and tap on the Install or the Get button. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and this will get your download process started. Wait for a couple of minutes until the application gets downloaded on your smartphone. Also make sure you have a stable internet connection so that the application will download faster. Once it's done, click on the Open button to launch open Zoho Mail application. Now you'll come across this welcome screen from where you can get started. If you previously have a Zoho Mail account, you can tap on the Sign In or Sign In with Apple option to get started logging in. If you don't have an account yet, tap on the Sign Up button at the very bottom of the screen. Since we are creating an account today, let's tap on Sign Up, and on the next page, you'll need to fill in some of your username information, password, first and last name, and your phone number. In the Username tab, go ahead and create a username for yourself. Now on the next field, write down a strong password to protect or secure your account. On the next field, write down your first name, and then your last name on the next, and finally enter a phone number and click on this I agree box at the bottom and click sign up for free. On the next page, you'll need to enter the one-time password sent to your mobile number via SMS. Enter it in the text box and then you will be able to complete your sign up. Allow necessary permissions such as notifications if you want to receive it by tapping allow. Or if you don't want to do that right now, tap on Don't Allow, and there you go. You'll see your clean, ad-free inbox ready to go. To compose a message, tap on the little pencil button at the bottom right corner and you can send in your first email. To add your profile picture and signature, you can go to the Settings menu and find it from there. And now you have successfully completed your sign up. You can now enjoy fast, secure, and ad-free emailing right from your pocket. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again with more Zoho Mail tutorial. Stay tuned till then.